This is the MotoGP session. Great ladies. Great ladies out from the pit. Woo. Rocklang. Petronas Tribun. The Umbrella Girls is coming out. Woo! Nih apa namanya? Ducati. Toketnya gede banget. Liatin. Bukan yang itu, yang satu lagi temennya. Ramak Ducati. Yang tinggi satu lagi deh, liatin deh. Big boobs. The Umbrella Girls on the grid. Stop. Speed out. And now, riders set to the starting grid. Anyway, MotoGP series, MotoGP class race. Jorge Lorenzo. Miguel Oliveira. Pecco Bagnaia. Pol Espargaro. Joan Mir. Karel Abraham. Danilo Petrucci. Morbidelli. Maverick Vinales. Habis set up to the grid. Carl Crutchlow. Alex Espargaro. Fabio Quartararo. The home ground team. Andrea Dovizioso. Johan Zarco. And last, the superstars of MotoGP, Valentino Rossi. Vale. The riders has been set up to the starting pit line. MotoGP class of Sepang Circuit. Alex Rins. Datang saudara, has been set up to the line tepat di depan saya, in front of me. Marc Marquez starting field. The MotoGP 2019 MotoGP World Championship. Marc Marquez.